What's up, everybody? Check it out. We went to the mailbox today. Got a couple of packages here. First one's from Jackson in North Carolina. The next one here is from Albert in New York City. So we've got two of these quick unboxings. We're going to do is open these up, find out what's inside, and without further ado, guys, let's do this thing. Come on, let's go. All right, so these packages here came to the P.O Box, and it's very cool. I always get a little excited, like a little kid at Christmas, when I get something at the P.O Box there. So first one here we're opening up. Get this opened. This one is going to be from Albert in New York. And I'm going to pull whatever's in here off camera just to make sure there's no personal information or anything like that. So let's see what we got. It looks like a holiday card. All right, let's see what's inside here. All right, so there's nothing in here that we need to worry about. So let's open up and I'll show you what exactly is in here. We've got a cool copper round, which we're going to take a look at in a second. Merry Christmas, wishing you the happiest of holidays, filled with good times, good cheer, and good friends. Happy New Year, oldies and goodies. Very cool. Thanks, Al. Definitely appreciate that. But let's take a look here. Got some painter's tape. I see. Are you a painter, Al? Is that what you do for a living? Let's see what we got here. Get all the tape off. We'll deal with that a little bit later. But take a close-up look at this here. Glory to the newborn king, it says. Merry Christmas. And then on the back side, we've got the, turn upside down, 999 copper, Merry Christmas. 1 AVDP ounce. AVDP. I don't know what that is, AVDP. But that's cool, man. Let's take a look at this thing. Very shiny indeed. Nice little copper piece. So, oldies and goodies, thank you very much. Let's get this guy back in the flip. If we can get it in there we go. And we'll put this aside. Oldies and goodies, thank you again. Very cool of you to think of me this holiday season. Merry Christmas to you too. Happy New Year. All that fun stuff. So now let's go check out what we got here from Jackson in North Carolina. Now it says on here, do not open until December. And then I don't know. I'm guessing it says don't open until December 25th, but I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna do it now because I don't follow the rules. So let's open this up. If we can get our little blade in there. There we go. All right. Now looks like something written in here. So I'm gonna pull this off camera just to see what's on here. Cool. So I'll bring this back on. I kind of cut it, missed off some of the words. I don't know where the other piece is. Cut off a chunk of the words. I don't know where they went. Is this it? All right, so let's try to read this together. I'd like to take a moment. Thank you for all you've done for myself and this community. I've enjoyed buying and selling coins and bullion, as well as having an interesting conversation with you. I hope that we continue to connect and collect. Have a great Christmas, JaxCoins. Awesome, buddy. I appreciate that. Likewise to you. Awesome channel you got over there as well. Sorry I didn't wait until the 25th to open this. Figured I'd do it all in one big shoot, right? So very cool. Thank you guys for sending the stuff my way. It's definitely appreciated. Very cool Christmas card here from Oldies and Goodies as well. But that's going to do it for this video, guys. If you want to see more videos like this one, just click the like and subscribe button down there. And if you want to be alerted when new videos come out, you already know what to do. You've heard it a million times. Click that bell icon and you'll be alerted when new videos like that come out. But that's going to do it for me. I'll talk to you again real soon. Peace out, YouTube.